Hello guys, how are you? And this video is for HP Smart Tank 585 printer, and you can see the printed is showing printed color printed error on screen. And as you know, in this error condition it will not print, but I'm gonna show you one setting, one tab report you can take, in which you can see all the printer details. You just have to press and hold power button, and you have to press color copy button for 1 second, and then release both of the buttons. Now printer is going to print a tab report in which you can see every detail of the printer: firmware, date, code, serial number, and page count on 21 number PG. That is total page count of this printer.